Okay, I created a new table and chairs at a block, and I'm here in the block editor. I already applied a linear parameter starting here and just threw it out. Okay, so basically, oh, what I did is, I applied a stretch action to it, following exactly kind of like I did last time. I mean, I just selected that dimension and then drew a fence around it and then selected the two objects, and well, that was pretty much it. Just save and close. Let's go insert table and chairs. Okay, I got it. Now when you bring it in though, unlike that other block, it gives you something to actually drag. So but you can set an exact parameter by clicking on that box. So it's pretty cool. So if you just take that and apply it to the nth degree, that'll create your blocks for you, your parametric blocks for you. So it's pretty slick. It's certainly a little non-intuitive, but it works.